See how high that line is on his forehead? That's not where his natural lineup sits. That's what getting lined up every week does to your lineup. This is an edge up that's sharp, but still natural. How often you get lineups keeps your edge, and overlining it is what loses it. And I'll give you the exact rule to follow at the end of this video. So 3 things: why how often you go matters, the actual schedule, and what to do in between cuts. Most importantly, the schedule is the part that most guys get wrong. Every lineup takes a little hair off of your natural edge. You have to cut hair to create a shape, so the barber has to find a clean line and it sits just inside of the last one. Now do that every week and the lineup slowly creeps up little by little. If you don't give the hair time to grow out, the lineup won't be crisp unless you cut into more hair. Now here's the part that nobody tells you. The right time gap in between lineups isn't the same for everybody. On one hand, dense, thick hair grows in fast, so about every 2 weeks. But if your hair is finely textured or grows slow, ask for a soft lineup. If you have thin or fine hair, you can stretch it out to about 3 weeks. And if you're thinning at the temples, get a lineup less and just focus on the haircut. Usually a mid or high taper will complement this style. Now stay with me, because the rule at the end ties it all together. This next part is how you keep it sharp without sitting in the chair every week. In between lineups, leave the trimmers alone. Don't go lining yourself up at home, because that's how you push your own line back. Brush down the edges and use a little bit of holding spray. This keeps your lineup looking crisp in between cuts. So here's the rule as promised. Don't get lined up on a schedule just because. Get lined up when your edge up actually grows out, not before. Choose a soft lineup over a sharp one if you have a delicate hairline every time. This schedule preserves your edge up for the long run. Overlining it is what loses it. Oh, and one more thing. In the morning between cuts, take a brush or a comb and lightly brush down your edges. And follow that up with a little bit of holding spray to keep your hairline crisp in between haircuts. You still get the crisp look, but no blaze on your skin. And it costs you only 10 seconds of your time. Edge up keeps climbing and you can't figure out why. It's the every week habit that's the problem. Send this to someone who's in the chair more than you are. That's it. Line up the hair when it's actually grown out. Get a soft or sharp lineup based on your hair type and leave it alone in between cuts. And that holds your edge up for the long run. In the next video, I'll explain how to get a sharp, natural line with no pushback. I'll put it right here.